फोकस ठीक है, चलो ये भी ठीक है. So what's up guys, my name is Siddharth and welcome back to my channel Transformation Next. So जैसे कि आपने लास्ट व्लॉग में देखा कि मेरा GoPro वैली में गिर गया था and I tried to get my GoPro back. Tried to call them and I didn't got a proper response back from them. I even emailed them like I have an insurance of a GoPro. Still I get the body of the GoPro. I can claim and I can get my new GoPro in just for $70 but that was a scheme when I purchased the GoPro. I was lucky enough but so something happened and that things are not in our control and we can't do much. So वो GoPro gaya. So whenever I emailed them like I got a response and this is the response. सीधा सीधा कहा था कि भाई तू भूल जा अपने GoPro को और नया खरीद ले. So उसके बाद मेरे पास GoPro नहीं था तो मैंने थोड़ा बहुत मोबाइल पे व्लॉगिंग ट्राई किया बट. Hi guys, so I am in Queenstown. Unfortunately today while doing a bungee I lost my GoPro. I didn't have a proper frame to vlog and everything and so I left out. So मेरा मन ही नहीं किया vlogging करने के लिए. I just focused on the cinematic content from this camera. So today I have a GoPro. I purchased a new one. So guys, जैसे हम बढ़ रहे हैं आगे, we are in the mark of 2.5k subscribers now and which is a good news and तो ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहो, ऐसे ही मतलब प्यार करते रहो and do support me on the YouTube journey going forward. So मैं चाहता था मैं अपने viewers को कुछ एक specific word दूँ and that word I will give you as a champs because being an athlete many of them called me champ ये करो, champ your dude, champ. So let's all champ get connect together and let's explore together. So currently I am in Auckland. So I was in a Queenstown for 2 days and in that time, so what is a Queenstown? Queenstown is an adventurous town in the New Zealand and it's slightly costly than the other parts of the New Zealand because it's mostly a tourist place and there is a beautiful lake there and there are various things you can do there, like you can do a bungee jumping, you can do a zip line, there is a skyline there up and we can do various adventurous activities, we can do skydiving as well. So I've done all of the adventures and I will like post them in upcoming vlogs and it was really fun in a Queenstown for the 2 days. But वही वो GoPro का नहीं होता तो थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा लगता था तो पूरा जर्नी एकदम पूरा प्लेजेंट हो जाता था and it would be really have been a fun. It was a fun but थोड़ा सा और मज़ा आता था जब वो footages GoPro के बंजी जंपिंग के साथ इंटीग्रेट हो सकते थे तो. So the Navy's bungee is the New Zealand's highest bungee. It's of 134 meters. लेकिन बहुत सारे लोगों को हाइट का डर रहता है and they can't do it like. So for them there is one more alternative, that is the one more on the Kawara Bridge of New Queenstown. There is one more bungee and you can really enjoy that bungee.
The best time to visit Queenstown is in the month of December to February.
So beside to the lake there is a beautiful like garden there and you can sit for a while and you can enjoy there. There is a total serenity in that place. So that's what we did in the evening. Like थोड़ा सा गुस्सा कम करने के लिए we actually planned and so वो garden में जाके बैठ गए और then we had a lot of fun there and it was a really fun when we did such things. तो वही है यार, मतलब Queenstown एक must do in the list है. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, क्वींसटाउन में एक हॉट चॉकलेट फेमस है सिटी में लाइक फरबर्ग का एंड फरबर्ग का बर्गर भी फेमस है. सो जब आप आओगे तब डू ट्राई अ बर्गर एंड अ हॉट चॉकलेट फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस. फिर कुछ नहीं, फिर एवरीथिंग हैपेंड एंड फर्दर वी वेंट टू एक्सप्लोर अ मिलफर्ड साउंड which was slightly far away from the Queenstown. And we came in the Queenstown back after a 1 day. Did some more adventures and stay tuned for that and enjoy the vlog.
After that, we headed to Thiona. If you like the video, do like, subscribe and share and do follow us on Instagram Transformation Next.